Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete all Google history. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you want to delete all your Google search history, you need to clear it from two places, your web browser and your Google account. When you search using Google Chrome or another browser, the searches are usually stored locally in the browser and also saved in your Google account. Removing both ensures your history is fully cleared. First, you can delete the history saved in your browser. If you are using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser and select Settings. Then, open Privacy and Security and click Delete Browsing Data. A window will appear where you can choose what to remove. Select Browsing History and set the time range to all time if you want to delete everything. After selecting the options, click Delete Data and the browser history will be removed. Next, you should delete the search activity stored in your Google account. Open Google in your browser and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Here, you can also switch account if you want. Then select Manage your Google account from here. Once here, go to the Data and Privacy section at the left side and find History Settings. Under this area, click Web and App Activity, which stores your searches and activity across Google services. Inside the activity page, choose See and Delete Activity and select Google Search. On the right side, click Delete and you have different options to delete your data. Choose All Time to remove your entire search history. Confirm the deletion and Google will erase the stored search activity from your account. You can also enable Auto Delete, which automatically removes activity older than 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. You can also select Don't Delete from here. If you prefer, you can turn off web and app activity completely so that Google stops saving your search history in the future. Simply click on Turn Off and you will see two options to do this. By clearing both the browser data and the Google account activity, you can fully remove your search history and start with a clean slate. And that's it. So that's basically how you can delete all Google history. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.